Whoa, you're a mess, Sasuke. Who are you fighting?
You damn brat. How dare you do such a thing to me? How dare you?
Oh, boy. Well, he's dead now.
I had no choice but to do this.
You hid yourself inside Manda. Then why are you so beat up?
That Akatsuki, he was stronger than I expected.
Even all cut up and bruised, Sasuke's still pretty sexy.
How pathetic! I can't believe you're the man who killed Orochimaru!
Orochimaru was already weakened to begin with. That's all I'll say about that.